Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm here with you once again in the studio, and I have something super important to share with you in this video. Today's video will change the way you look at the financial market significantly, because this video is about to, change how you look at it, how you look at the forex market and how it works generally. Now, today's video, I will be sharing with you a super powerful indicator I created recently. It's called the Joe Liquidation Estimate. Did you ever ask yourself a question? When are the sellers exhausted and when are the buyers going to take over? And have you ever asked yourself a question? When are the buyers exhausted and when the sellers will take over? This is exactly what I created. It's a super powerful indicator that works real time. And when I mean real time, I mean it's going to work real time in a real world. And this indicator, it's magnificently amazing. And until you look at how this indicator works, you will not understand exactly what I'm talking about. This indicator has a lot and you can never miss a trade. And I don't want to waste much of your time. I think this indicator will adjust the way you look at the market entirely. If this is the first time you're seeing me here, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with family and friends. That will really help me a lot. And please don't forget to share this video. Very, very important. I love that a lot. Thank you so much. Now, without wasting much of your time, I think it's time to dive into my desktop, where we're going to be seeing the whole thing together, how it works and how to set it up step by step. Let's go. If you come here, you're going to see, of course, I am here already on my chart, and this is one of my account. This is a demo account though. I used to do practice on whatever I want to do with this account. So far so good. This is the indicator, and it's called the Joe Liquidation Estimate. You can see that Joe Liquidation Estimate. So if you open this indicator, we have it here, the EX5 and then the MQ5. Okay, now let me show you how to install it. Right click and go ahead and click on copy. Now you can minimize this folder, head over straight to file, click on it, come here to open data folder, click on it, and then come back down here to MQL5, double click to open it, and then come to indicators, double click to open it. And then all you have to do is right click and then click on paste to paste your indicator directly into the folder. So now you can close. The installation is done, and we're going to see exactly how you can add this indicator to chart and how you can use it to make the most out of it. Let's go. Now coming back here, if you come here and click on, I want you to come here to Navigator. Look at it here. This is Navigator, okay? Click on Navigator and you can just right click and click on refresh. Inside Navigator, you're going to see your indicator called the Joe Liquidation Estimate, okay? Click on the drop down arrow here and you can just drag and drop this indicator directly into the chart. And guess what? Look at this. I created this indicator this year, 2026, and everything's looking so good. For me, I think it's important for you to leave everything default and go ahead and click on OK. And bam, now we have the indicator added to our chart. Now, this indicator works miraculously, and until I show you what to expect, you will not understand how this indicator works. For me, I want to know the important thing in markets, no matter the type of indicator you use, understanding and knowing the trend direction, it's very, very important, because it will help you to at least avoid false signals like about 60 to 70% of the time. Now, if you know the direction of the market is up, let's say uptrend, and you saw a sell signal, you will know that it's just a minor pullback. Maybe the signal might not go that much before reversing, and that's exactly what I'm talking about. So now we are still going to understand the value and importance of trend before using any indicator that you have so far so good. Now let's come back here and we're going to see that. So for me to know a trend direction is simple for me. I don't waste much time. I'm on the 5-minute time frame, depending on the time frame you are, and also depending on the type of trend indicator you want to use. Okay, so for me, I'm on the 5-minute time frame, and if you pay attention, you can see this is 5 minutes here. So quickly, I'll head over straight to my indicator. I'll click on this indicator here. Then I'll look for moving average. In case you don't see it here, you can come to trend, since it's a trend indicator, and come back down here. You're going to see moving average. Click on it. Now, when you click on it, I just want you to set the period to 30. Method can be exponential or smooth. I use the both, and then line thickness of your choice, color of your choice. Since I'm using white background, I'll go with black, so I'll click on OK. You can see the indicator has been added to my chart. Now, how does this indicator work? Now, if you pay attention here, you can see we have 3 lines. We have +1, we have 0, and then we have -1, and then we have green bars and red bars in this indicator. Now, the green bar simply means that the buyers liquidate the sellers, and then the market will keep moving up significantly. And then if you see, that is when the green bar crosses below -1, you're going to get a pop-up alert. And once the red bar crosses above +1, you're going to get a sound alert and pop-up alert at the same time. This is how it works. Now, once the crosses +1 or -1, that's when you get alert, and then you can go back to your chart and look at what is actually happening, who's get liquidated, and where is the market going that moment. This is why this indicator is very, very important for you. Now, come back here. For me, the liquidation estimate is a very good indicator that I love so much. Now, look, if I add a line here to this vertical line here, if I add this line here, you can see on this liquidation, you can see we have the green bar spike below +1, -1, I mean, and maybe that time you get an alert, maybe a pop-up alert and a sound alert happens, and you come back to your chart, you saw, okay, I can see that the buyers liquidate the sellers and the price is now above the 30 smooth or exponential moving average, then I will just go ahead and buy. So most times you can just wait for a little bit of a pullback, and this is exactly what happened, but not much, and then you buy. This is gold, and you make a lot of money at that moment. This is magnificent. You see that? You saw that the buyers liquidate the sellers, no more sellers in the market at that time, and look at the trend. The trend moved significantly up. This is how beautiful this is. Now, let's go back to the indicator settings. So I'll show you something. Right click and head over to indicator list. Click on it and then come back here to Joe liquidation estimate real time. Click on properties. Now you're going to see I have enable alert true. I have enable sound alert true, enable pop-up alert true. Every other thing is here, right? So those are the settings in case you are wondering what colors are the long and short. They're all here. So for now, this is it. So let's go more and I'll show you more of this. Now, this is example number 1. Example number 2, you can see we have a liquidation here. We have buyers, sellers are being liquidated. Buyers are being liquidated, sellers are about to take over the market. Now you can see you enter, but because the trend is an uptrend and it's above the 30 smooth or exponential moving average, you can see the market didn't go up that much, didn't go down. It just moved up and then later came back down, but couldn't go back down. This is what I'm talking about, pullbacks. Now there's a pullback and then the market continue up. So in this case, you trade nothing or you lose your trade probably. Now if you come back here, this is a typical example for another one here. Now we see a liquidation happen here. You see that? A liquidation happen here, that buyers are liquidated from here, and imagine you can see that the chart is already below the 30 smooth or exponential moving average, and let's assume you enter a sell trade from here and put your stop loss just above that candle. You can see from here, all right, down to this area here, what did you see? You made about 157.4 pips, right? This is how much you make in that specific trade. So this is what I use most of the time now on trading gold. It's a tool that I think it's important for everyone to have, and you're going to make good amount of money right there. Now, if you come here, guess what happened? We lose this trade because we saw liquidation. Buyers are liquidated, and believe me, they still take over. So if you enter a sell trade, let's say you put your stop loss just above this candle, by now you could have hit your stop loss, and then you lose this very particular trade. So let's keep moving, and here we have a liquidation. See that? Buyers liquidate sellers, and you can see price is now above this smooth moving average. And if you enter buy trade from here, because there's a liquidation here, guess what happened? The price pulled back a little bit, and you can see, let's say you enter buy from here and then you waited so long to this extent, you make 299 pips altogether. Let's say 300 pips altogether. That's how much you make in a single trade. So this is magnificent, and I think it's very, very important for everyone to have it. Now, if you go through this indicator again and again and again, this is exactly what you keep on seeing, and this is where you're going to be making a lot of money. Look at more liquidation of sellers here. Sellers liquidate buyers and price keep pushing down. Sellers liquidate buyers here and price keep pushing down like that. And that's it. And that's how you're going to make a good amount of money with this system. For me, I am very, very grateful that you finally sit tight and watch this wonderful video to the end. The liquidation is estimate indicator by Joseph. It's one of the most advanced indicator I think you need to have right now. Now, the Joe liquidation estimate is an indicator that gives you an edge in the market, because you know when the buyers are not in the market, and now you now know when the sellers are not in the market. And then you look at the whole thing, you look at the direction of the market, and then you can go ahead and place a trade with confidence, and then you can make consistent amount of money. So far so good. This will bring me to the end of the video. If you think you have any question regarding this indicator, you can let me know in the comment section below. This indicator is super powerful and you can lay your hands on it if you so desire. Thank you once again for your time. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with family and friends. It will help me a lot. Thank you. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one, but until then I want to say bye.